If you are looking for the best 20-gallon air compressor, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. WEN 2202 20-gallon air compressor. One of the best things about this WEN air compressor is that it is a value-for-money product. Despite its affordable price tag, it offers a 1.5 HP motor along with a 135 psi air tank. This compressor is able to offer a CFM rating of 5.0 CFM at 40 psi and 3.8 psi at 90 psi. It is quite decent for its given price. You also get an easy-to-reach drain valve and wheels in this air compressor that can be quite handy. The 1/4 inch NPT quick coupler air outlet allows for quick and simple hose changes. Number 2. Porter Cable PX CMF 220VW 20-gallon portable air compressor. Porter Cable is also known for making various useful power tools and related accessories. You get a 20-gallon air tank with a maximum air pressure rating of 150 psi in this air compressor. It even comes with a 1.5 HP motor that is quite powerful for its given price tag. You also get a CFM rating of 5 CFM at 40 psi and 4 CFM at 90 psi. This comes with 7 inches semi-pneumatic wheels for mobility and amp, rubber feet for stabilization. Its low voltage startup reduces the current draw and has less starting torque on the motor. Number 3. Briggs & Amp, Stratton 074064 0020 gallon air compressor. If you are on a tight budget, Briggs & Amp, Stratton's 074064 00 is the most affordable air compressor in this review that you should consider buying. The unit features a vertical tank with a 1.5 horsepower induction motor and an easy-to-maintain oil-free pump at the top, with the two being fully enclosed for protection from the elements. The built-in pulling handle is curved around the motor's housing for impact protection. This handle combines forces with tough rubber wheels to ease portability for quick movement. Number 4. Campbell Hausfeld DC 200,000 20-gallon air compressor. Since it is made by a highly reputable brand, you get a maximum air pressure rating of 150 psi. Its 20-gallon tank can easily and quickly fill up at this high pressure level due to its 1.3 HP motor. As for its CFM rating, it offers 4 CFM at 90 psi due to its oil-free pump. The motor of this air compressor is also quite silent when compared with other similar options. You also get a grab handle and wheels in this air compressor that are quite handy. Number 5. Industrial Air IL 1682066. MN 20-gallon belt-driven air compressor. This is one of the most popular 20-gallon air compressor offerings from Industrial Air. While it is slightly expensive, this vertical air compressor offers a maximum air pressure limit of 135 psi. You also get wheels in this air compressor that are quite practical. Its 1 HP motor can offer you a CFM rating of 6.2 CFM at 40 psi and 5.3 CFM at 90 psi. The heavy-duty dual-voltage induction motor is able to drive high pump performance, which helps to ensure trouble-free operation.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.